Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will show you how to add your TSA Precheck information when booking a flight on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap Flight and enter your departure city, destination and travel date. After that, tap Search and choose the flight you want to book. Tap Select to continue. Now you will see the page to enter passenger information. Here you will need to enter your full name exactly as it appears on your government ID and date of birth. Look for free label, known traveler number or TSA Precheck number. Enter your KNT here. This is the number you go when you sign up for TSA Precheck. Double check that your name and the KNT are correct, then continue to the payment history and finish booking a flight. Once booked, your TSA Precheck info will be sent to the airline, and that's it. You have just added your TSA Precheck on the Expedia mobile app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.